Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a birthday campaign in GoHighLevel. Birthdays are a great opportunity to engage with your customers and show them a little extra love. We'll go step by step so it's super easy to follow. But before we jump into the details, I got a special offer for you. You see, normally if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link in the description below, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description below. Simply click the first link to find all of the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. So first off, you're going to log into your GoHighLevel account and you're going to go to the sub account where you want to set up the birthday campaign. Now once you're in the sub account, look for the automation tab on the left-hand menu and click on it. Now this will take you to the workflow list page. Here you'll see all of your existing workflows, but since we're creating a new one, click on the Create Workflow button in the top right corner. After that, you'll see two options: start from scratch or select a recipe. Choose the one that works best for your needs. So if you're just getting started with GoHighLevel, it's a good idea to just pick a recipe. This gives you a ready-made workflow that you can customize to fit your needs. But if you'd rather build your own from scratch, you can totally do that too. For this tutorial, we'll go with the pre-built template. That's why we'll choose the first option, select a recipe. Click on it and you'll see a bunch of template categories to pick from. Since we're creating a birthday campaign, we'll need the right template for it. So scroll down to the bottom of the templates and you'll find one called Recipe Birthday Template. That's the one that we're going to use. So click select under it and it will take you to the workflow editor. Now once you're on the editor, you can customize the template however you like. You can add or remove steps, rearrange them, or you can even add conditions to make it more personalized for your business. For now though, we'll leave it as it is since it works perfectly for what we need. Next, I will walk you through how this template works. So when you start using the birthday automation template, the first thing to do is update the workflow name to match your business. At the top, just click on the name field and change it from Recipe Birthday Template to something like Customer Birthday Campaign or whatever works best for you. This makes it easier to stay organized, especially if you're running multiple automations at the same time. Now, let's talk about how this workflow works. So at the top, there's a trigger called Birthday Reminder. Now, this means the automation kicks off whenever a birthday reminder is set for a contact in your system. So this trigger makes sure that the campaign only runs for contacts whose birthday matches what you set in the CRM. The first thing it does is send a birthday SMS. This is an automatic message sent to the customer to wish them a happy birthday. You can customize the message with their name, a special offer, or a personal touch that makes them feel appreciated. After sending the birthday message, the system waits for 24 hours to see if the customer replies. If they respond, the automation takes them in one direction, but if they don't respond, it moves them down a different path. If the customer does reply, the system checks if their response is positive. If they seem interested and engaged with the message, the automation continues along the yes path. However, if they don't reply or their response isn't positive, the workflow ends there. For those who do respond positively, the next step is to send them a 20% discount SMS. This is a way to thank them for their response and to give them a birthday discount to keep them engaged. Now, this step is optional and you can change it depending on your business's promotional plans. After sending the discount message, the system waits 2 days before following up. Now, this gives the customer some time to think about the offer and decide if they want to take action. application. It's a simple way to avoid being too pushy. If the customer responds positively during the next 2 days, they get a nice positive message thanking them for engaging and encouraging them to redeem the offer. But if they either don't respond or reply negatively, the system sends one last SMS before wrapping up the sequence. Now, this workflow is a simple and effective way to make customers feel special on their birthdays. It's a nice way to show appreciation while also gently encouraging them to shop with you. The steps are flexible and can be changed to suit different businesses. For example, you can adjust the waiting times, update the messages, or add more options depending on how customers respond. Once you're happy with your workflow setup, go ahead and click the Publish button in the top right corner. Now, this will turn on the automation and get it running. From there, it will automatically work for all the contacts in your CRM who have a birthday set. Simple as that. All right, so that's it for this video, and I hope that you found it helpful and informative. If you want to try GoHighLevel, just click the link in the description below. If you use my affiliate link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I will walk you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those first 30 days. And on top of that, you're going to receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and to claim your bonuses. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.